Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word receive. Let's practice together. Receive.
I receive. I receive emails. I receive emails daily.
She receives calls. She receives calls often. We receive packages. We receive packages at work. They receive feedback. They receive feedback regularly.
I receive your message.
I receive your message clearly.
Please receive this document.
Please receive this document now.
Did you receive it?
Did you receive it yesterday? I will receive the package. I will receive the package tomorrow. We receive orders. We receive orders every day. He receives the report. He receives the report on time. Receive your emails carefully. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in tomorrow's video.